What's up everybody, it's Jack Thompson here, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. At the end of this video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the one and only Forbidden Roots mug. I've come up here to the beautiful surroundings to talk to you about a session that I booked off work last week. 2 days, roaming around, trying to catch as many fish from as many venues as possible. The first venue I had in mind was that park lake that I visited before. I got up super early, made my way down there, got my parking ticket, got into the swim that I wanted to as well, as it was a Monday morning. Managed to catch this fish off the surface within half an hour of being there. A fish that a mate of mine's previously had in the past, around 28, 29 pound, and what an epic way to start my day. Ooh. Hopefully she pays. Nice. Proper odd looking fish, isn't it? I'm now gonna go and check out a river that I've got unfinished business on, so let's go and see if we can find it, because man, this fish is driving me up the wall. And this is where it all went tits up for this video. Over the next 2 hours or so walking up and down the river, I managed to bump into some really special fish, and I managed to catch them as well. I was planning on doing a river video at the end of this month or next month, so I'm going to hold these fish back and put them in that. So we got something incredible to look forward to. After a little bit of lunch, rehydration, I travelled all the way back across the county to a little lake I've been fishing, and I just could not believe it. There's one fish in this lake that is really hard to catch. Probably the hardest fish in the lake to catch, to be honest. And I managed to catch it twice in 9 months, and I literally can't believe it. I would have swapped it for the other one, so someone else could have had that opportunity to catch that fish and be as happy as I was. Obviously I'm not complaining, but I had to get it out of the water because I needed to know if this fish was going to go 50 pound this time. It didn't, unfortunately. It was 49 pound dead on, but still incredible fish to catch off the surface, and continued incredible day that I was having. Go on. Get back. Gosh. What is going on over? After I slipped that fish back, it was getting a bit later on in the day now, and I'd had some seriously epic fish that day. But me being greedy, I decided I've still got a few hours left. Let's go for a mooch round, and you know, after a few laps I managed to find a few more fish now tucked up in this corner. This time it wasn't off the surface, on a bit of slow sinking bread, and a fish that I've never actually seen before, but wow, an incredible fish. This is the most frustrating lake I've ever fished. I fish in waters, man. I fish rivers, and this is a frustrating lake. 24-4. No. But it's one I haven't seen before. Second one out of Kingy today. Never seen this fish before, to be fair, but another epic one. 24-4. And to catch two in a couple of hours out of it is pretty unheard of, but banging. Let's quickly show the other side. Man, that's an awesome fish, man. I'm really pleased with that. Let's quickly show the other side. Ooh. It's got an epic little tail, hasn't it? Real grey one, this. I'm buzzed to add this to the list. We'll take it off the list. Right, let's get her back. What we're missing, you said it's never too late. what an amazing day. I went home, recharged, and got up early the next day and headed off out. But this is where the video gets a little bit complicated again. There was a few venues I've really wanted to hit up and literally go out of my comfort zone to fish, and that's exactly what I've done, and I couldn't have asked this to go any better than it did. I'm not going to say too much on it because I'm going to make an amazing piece on this, mark my words. But what I can say is the next few months I've got some really good material lined up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I know you're all probably thinking, what is this bloke moaning about? He's had an incredible session catching these fish. I know, and don't worry, I'm really grateful to the carp gods, but I wanted to make an epic piece over that few days, but I can't do that because basically I want to make more videos. So stay tuned, and the winner of the mug is down below. So cheers guys, thanks for watching.
I'm never ever free. I know now.